Hey, how are you, friends? Welcome to another refrigeration HVAC mechanic red seal practice questions. Multiple choice set 28 now, and starting with number 1 right away. Number 1, blank pole motors and capacitor start motors are both self-starting. A, shaded. B, automatic. C, alternate. D, checkered. Correct answer is A, shaded. Number 2, small amount of water lost in the form of fine droplets retained by the circulating air is called A, mist. B, drift. C, shower. Or D, draught. Correct answer is B, drift. Number 3, the lower the wet bulb temperature of the incoming air into the cooling tower, the more efficient the air is in the blank. The temperature of the water feed into the tower. A, raising. B, lowering. C, balancing. Or D, none of the above. Correct answer is B, lowering. Number 4, galvanic corrosion reaction is both electrical and blank in nature. A, mechanical. B, chemical. C, magnetic. Or D, radioactive. Correct answer is B, chemical. Number 5, an important device to prevent floodback of slugs of liquid through the suction line to the compressor is called A, liquid line equalizer. B, filter-drier. C, TEV. Or D, LLSV. Correct answer is C, TEV. Number 6, a measure of the heat per pound that the refrigerant can absorb from the area to be cooled is A, latent heat of vaporization. B, sensible heat. C, latent heat of fusion. Or D, specific heat. Correct answer is A, latent heat of vaporization. Number 7, which refrigerant has a lower molecular weight and the least tendency to leak? A, R12. B, R22. C, R717. Or D, R11. Correct answer is D, R11. Number 8, in a capacitor run CSCR motor, the capacitors are wired in A, parallel. B, series. C, star. D, star delta. Correct answer is A, parallel. Number 10, in an air-cooled condenser, the refrigerant condensing temperature should not be more than blank Fahrenheit higher than the entering air temperature. Correct answer A 45 degrees, B 35 degrees, C 40 degrees, or D 30 degrees? And the correct answer is D 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you again in the next video. Happy reviewing and wish you all the best. Thank you and have a good one.